we have a big subject to discuss today. Is there something out there that can at least match the capability of Wera's Tool-Check Plus One kit? And let's throw a curveball as well, why not at a better price? Well, this was suggested by a viewer and I think this Wiha ProBuddy Evo kit might surprise us all. We all know how expensive Wera's lineup is becoming. I mean, at the moment of recording, the Tool-Check Plus One in metric in the UK on Amazon retails for 94 quid. I bought mine in February of this year for 77 and that was on offer. Now the Wiha ProBuddy Evo is at 70 quid, so here's our trigger. Right off the bat, the Wiha offers a better packaging of its tools and the frame is way sturdier than the Wera's. Even the bit tray has a better mechanism with a spring and a stronger lock. Then the mini ratchet has 72 teeth, that is an upgrade over the Wera 60 and it feels heavier. Now this seems to be a downgrade, but in my experience a slimmer extension is way more practical than Wera's more secure rapid adapter since you can access tighter areas. So I think this is kinda up to you. Another big win for the Wiha is the included screwdriver. I mean, just look at this. This is basically a full-size handle. Better yet, this is identical to my ESD Centrofix 387. Just mental. As for the bit selection, we have an identical count of 30 bits on both kits, while the Wera obviously has the nicer color coding. Another cool detail is the presence of the inventory list on the bit rail. Now Wiha's bit quality is famous, so I will take the internet's word for it, which kinda checks out since out of the box the tolerances are excellent. Now I did notice the socket retention is a bit weaker on the Wiha, but still secure enough to not lose the sockets by mistake. The same goes for the bit rail on the Wera, which is rock solid, whereas on the Wiha they are quite flimsy. Alas, I think this is the price you have to pay to make them group so tighter together. But again, you will not lose them even if they slide out as long as the rail is closed. As for the sockets, the Wiha offers an 11 instead of the 12, and of course it doesn't have the color coding in place. Now for the moment of truth. Will the Wiha fit my pouch? The Wera always fitted on the limit on these Maxpedition pouches, and I'm starting to notice that I'm putting too much pressure on the zippers. Furthermore, the plastic frame is becoming looser. Now the Wiha fits perfectly since it's shorter and I don't have to worry of any of the above. I do lose the slot for the pen sharpener, but that's not a problem for now. So yeah, I can't believe that after all these years, the Wera has been beaten. Let's conclude. Both kits have near identical implements, which we know historically nothing matched Wera's kit, but somehow Wiha managed to offer a full-size screwdriver, a sturdier frame with a better lock, a more compact footprint, and the cherry on top is cheaper than the Wera. So without any shadow of a doubt, may I present my new champion, the Wiha ProBuddy Evo, that will replace the Wera. And since we are on the subject, this has given me some new ideas, so stay tuned for the pouch update. Thank you for watching.